Okay, now that we've done all of our prep work, hard done prep work for this recipe, we're going to return our chopped onions, our chopped bell pepper, and our chopped mushrooms back to the pan where the chicken came out of. And as you see, we're back to about medium heat on this one. We don't want it really all that hot, because these vegetables are going to release a lot of their liquids, and this is going to be a perfect little base for our cacciatore. So here you go. You got all of our ingredients back in here. Put them right back there. And I say over medium heat would be great. Just go ahead and move those around, just like that. And this is going to soak up a lot of the liquid and scrape up those brown bits, and pretty soon you're going to hear a sizzle to it. You don't want to get this too hot too fast, because the veggies are going to end up putting all their liquid back out into this, and it's going to be a great savory flavor. And you want to cook this for about 5 minutes to our next addition. So be careful with it. You'll see the onions will become translucent, the bell peppers are going to get a little bit soft, and the mushrooms are going to soak up a lot of those little yum-yums that are on the bottom of the pan, and that's going to be a great base for our flavors.